Here we read, compare the charts below. About how many people does each stick figure in the second chart stand for? So as always, let's look for the key information or the key part of the question. And in the second sentence here, we read about how many people does each stick figure in the second chart stand for. So that part, how many people does each stick figure, is the key part of that question. So when we look at the populations in this table, in this chart, we see numbers. And in this chart we see stick figures. So the key part of this problem is correctly choosing which populations to look at. So we look, for example, from Boston, the number here to Boston with stick figures. Here we notice there's a partial stick figure here, versus for Cleveland, here there are 5 stick figures. There are no partial stick figures. Similarly for Eugene, there's a whole stick figure. And if we go down to Seattle, there are a whole number of stick figures, and for St. Louis as well. So we're going to choose not to look at populations with partial figures. So that means, for example, we're going to look at Cleveland. So we're going to look at Cleveland in 2 places, here and here. We notice there are 5 stick figures, and that goes with a population of 505,616. So, 5 stick figures, 505,616. So then let's go down and do one more. Say Eugene, which has a population of about 112,000, or about 100,000, and there is 1 stick figure. So what we get out of this is that there is 1 stick figure for every 100,000 people here. And that is answer B.